How to screenshot Bereal posts without the other person knowing. In this short video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you're able to screenshot Bereal posts without the other person knowing. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you currently take a screenshot of somebody's post in the Bereal app, the other person will get a notification that you've actually taken the screenshot. Now, sometimes you don't want them to know that you've actually taken a screenshot, so I'm going to show you 3 workarounds to get around this. Of course, the proper way is to do it through the app and take a screenshot and let the other person know you've actually taken a screenshot. So the first option that I'm going to show you is if you tap on the button in the bottom left hand corner of your phone screen to show your last used apps, so say like this, and here all you need to do is just take a screenshot of this page here, and it won't actually notify them that you've taken a screenshot. So that's one way of doing it. The second way of doing it involves a few more steps. So first you need to turn off your Wi-Fi on your mobile device. So I'm just going to turn off my Wi-Fi. Then I'm going to head over back to the Bereal app. Then I'm going to take a screenshot here without my Wi-Fi turned on. Then next you want to head over to your settings menu and find the Bereal app. So if you go there, and what you need to do is tap on force stop in the bottom right hand corner, and then it will force stop the app when you tap OK. Next, tap on storage, and then tap on clear data. So it's going to delete all of the application's data permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So tap on OK. And then once you've done that, you're able to turn your Wi-Fi back on and then head back over to the Bereal app. And by doing this, you would have taken a screenshot when you're not on Wi-Fi, and then you would have reset the data that you've just taken a screenshot, so it won't actually notify the person that you've actually taken a screenshot. And then the third way of taking a screenshot of somebody's post on Bereal without them knowing is either use a third-party app that's able to take screenshots without notifying them, but just be careful, not all of them work in the way that's intended. So just look at the reviews and give it a try out, maybe on a friend's profile first and see if it works, or use another person's phone or another phone that you have to take a photo of that person's Bereal. And that's all it takes to screenshot Bereal posts without the other person knowing. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.